Okay, so this is the aftermath.
Not much mess. And look what I found. It took that much rubber bands to pop a watermelon. Look at that. It weighs about a kilo. Feel it. Look at the wall.
Whoa.
Give me a sponge or something. Gotta clean all this. Should try it in the backyard or something.
Kinda looks like a grenade or something.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what? Look at this.
I don't think we need our goggles yet.
Progress.
Yeah, it's getting there slowly.
Well, it's not getting a bit tighter, but we're just gonna keep trying, and hopefully it will explode.
Do you feel like any pressure or something? Maybe if we put it more than one side.
Just keep it together.
It seems like there's not much pressure.
It is getting a bit tighter.
Did you mention something about fail?
Yeah, oh yeah, it did. Yeah, maybe we will. Maybe we will.
Well, we've got enough of them.
Yeah, we still have like another bag.
Jeez, we might build another watermelon on top of this watermelon. Look at that.
Yeah. That's not gonna happen.
Look.
Look how much.
This.
Rubber band heavy. Okay, so I've gone a bit far. We're not doing bad after all. We put so much rubber bands.
I'm putting 3 at a time.
Put 5 at a time. If it doesn't work, then put 10 at a time.
Probably have to get to that point. Can you see any pressure?
Pressure.
Like if you look from here,
yeah.
there's a little kind of, it's gone in a bit.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
You don't see anything, do you?
I do. All I see is like getting smaller. It's like getting tighter.
Yeah.
It's working. Keep going.
All right.
Maybe we're gonna do it. Maybe we're gonna do it. So we have gone far right now, and we think it's still not working like that.
Well, I'm trying to put the elastics right in the center so I can apply more pressure.
There's still like a million
But
other
it still doesn't seem like it's building any kind of pressure at all.
I don't know.
Let's see what happens. We'll keep going.
Keep going.
It's actually hard work.
I know. Should we use the rubber band? It's not a rubber band. It's a black.
That's what we're up to so far. And looks like we have a long way to go.
Hey guys, it's me again. So we gone a bit far.
We've lost about 1,000 rubber bands. They keep breaking. I've got about 5 blisters. And we're still going.
I'm Spider-Man.
Still going strong, man. Strong.
Okay.
Well, as you can see, we're making a tiny bit of progress.
We're making no progress.
We've put like, I don't know,
1,000.
close to 1,000 rubber bands in. We're still going.
Okay.
Ah!
Oh, okay. Well, we are making a bit of progress right now. Look at this.
As you can see, we've got like 1 billion rubber bands now, and it's starting to look like Homer Simpson. So,
Yeah, we have went to like 1,000 shops to get all these rubber bands. So while we were recording out the video, we ran out.
so we went to the shop and they only had 1 bag. So I feel like killing the customer service lady there, and we went to another shop, we went to Coles, and we got like, I don't know how many bags. There's 2, 4, we put 1 here, 5, 6 in total. So we'll see what happens. We're making progress, definitely. I feel like it's getting really tight. It's about to pop already.
You're about to pop. Okay. Okay, we are doing it. It's getting so short right now. Look at this.
Alright, we've got a little bit of, oh my god. It's time to put on, come and record this.
I don't want to see.
There's a bit of water
no,
coming out,
it's
so
popping.
somebody's
Oh,
gonna get hurt.
Oh no. Oh,
Someone
no.
is getting hurt.
This is not kind of
Alright.
the end of the
Calm down.
Okay.
Safety first.
Safety first.
Alright,
I have my
what?
safety goggles on. Oh my god. Oh, it's leaking.
It's gonna pop. Shit. What's gonna...
I'm so
Don't use the S word, man. Alright.
It's leaking.
Let it leak. Yeah, do something.
Don't put it.
Do something. Okay,
Don't put it next to me, yo. Come on.
it's
now.
getting close.
Oh shit!
Oh shit! Well, I can hear it.
That.
Calm down, you chicken! Don't be a coward! Wait.
Scheiße!
Hello, Froggy.
It popped. We did it.
Wait, we didn't do nothing.
Oh, look at the freaking wall!
Oh,
You know what?
this is.
Tastes pretty damn good.
Oh. Here, let me try.
Don't try this. Don't try this. Don't try this, guys.
Okay.
Because it's a better out here. We estimated like how long?
Oh,
We thought it'd be done in like freaking 5-10 minutes. And it's taken us 10 hours. There's a lot of injured soldiers around here.
oh,
Cuts, bruises, blisters, you name it.
oh.
But we finally did it. And we've got how many bags left there? 1, 2, 3,
What
4,
are we gonna do with all these
5.
bags?
Return them.
Yeah, keep.
Have some watermelon. Look at this.
Mmm.
And the house is a mess.
Oh,
Alright,
oh, hi.
this is it. 2 in 1.
That the sun?
Until next time, guys. Take it easy. Alright. Please.